Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. I got this from Collier. And I don't think I've ever carried it without somebody wanting a recipe. Well, first of all, I want to tell you about my apron. My son-in-law is a medical doctor, and he was in a meeting in Chicago. Someone said, give this Razorback apron to Scott Ferguson. Said, he's from Arkansas. And Scott said, I didn't go to school in Arkansas, but he said, I know who would like to have it is my mother-in-law. She's a big Razorback fan. So he brought me this apron, and I'm proud of it. I think it's really great. I wear this. Well, anyway, let's get on with our recipe then. First of all, we've got 2 cups of hot boiling water. We're going to dissolve this 3-ounce package of jello. Now, I tell you, since you probably can't get this, I would use an orange, just a plain orange jello, because you've already going to have the pineapple in it. We're going to mix this in the hot boiling water and let it dissolve. We have to have pineapple juice. Okay, that's 1 quart of pineapple juice. You can use a dozen lemons and squeeze the juice out of them, or I like to buy this Minute Maid. It's pure lemon juice. You have to get it, it's in the freezer department in your grocery store. So we have to have, this bottle has 7.5 fluid ounces, but I only need 6 in this. We have to have 2 cups of sugar, the 2 cups of boiling water with the jello. We're going to mix that in with it. Okay, this is 3 cups of warm water. Now this is the part you freeze. We're making a slushy punch. So you can use any kind of container you want to. I'm going to use this. I usually freeze it overnight. This set 2.5 hours and the temperature was about 80 degrees. You want to be sure and serve it though while it's still frozen, because it's a slushy punch. You break that up. That's just about the way you want it. See, when that mixes in with that other liquid, it's going to be a real slushy punch. Okay, we're adding 1 quart of ginger ale to this. And stir that up. And your slushy punch is finished. And what I call this is next to my youngest granddaughter is Mary Elizabeth. And all the time she was growing up as a little girl, we had these big Christmas parties, and I always had this punch at Christmas time. And I put a red food color in it to make it red. She really liked that. She would, I think she liked it more than anybody in the family. So I just called it Mary Elizabeth's punch. I'll show you how it colors real good. You don't want very much in that small amount of punch though. That's plenty. But this is what we do at Christmas time, I was telling you. And we call it Mary Elizabeth's Christmas punch. She really likes this punch. Well, we probably need a little bit more than that to get a red. There's our Christmas punch. The almond extract was in the original recipe, but I don't use it very much. I prefer not to have it in it. And you can make it either way. Years ago, you know, my older sister, who passed away already, we always loved to go to estate sales and flea markets and anything, you know, that entertained us anyway. I went to an estate sale one day, and this sterling silver punch bowl was for sale. and it was several $100s. And I thought, I don't know if I want to spend that money or not. But I bought it, and it's something I've been so proud of. I never take this anywhere that somebody don't really compliment me and want, where did you get that? Thank you for watching today. It's been a wonderful showing you this and showing you my apron, and I hope you try this punch because it's very, very good. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do, and I'll see you on another video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put this in containers and refreeze it. My granddaughter works at Lavender, and I told her, I said, you know, I'm going to have 2 recipes of that drink, and we're not going to drink all that. And I said, why don't you take it to Lavender to your nurses? And she said she'd do that. So that's what we're going to do with this. We're going to refreeze it and give it to her to take over there.